To my peers, thank you for always being by my side. You have actually made this experience worth it and enjoyable. So never forget to thank the people that have gotten you to this arena today. Even if you are the reason you are graduating, thank yourself, because it was not easy and you are strong. It is so crazy to think that in just a few minutes, we'll be handed our diplomas and finally be done with high school.
After all this time wishing to grow up as a kid, it finally happened. From the late night Fortnite games during lockdown to racing to the lunch table to tell everyone the latest tea, those are the memories that I'll be forever grateful for. They were proof that we made it together, that we grew from unsure freshmen into people ready to take on the world, even if we were still figuring it out as we go. And while those chapters are closing, a whole new story is about to begin, one that we get to write ourselves.
But this moment is more than just a ceremony. It's a symbol of all we have worked, sacrificed, cried, fought, and bled for to be here. So to that, I say enjoy this time. Enjoy and acknowledge the amount of effort and work you put in to be here. Just look around, just take it in, because again, we made it. Appreciate the journey, every step, every struggle, and every lesson. Celebrate and enjoy the destination because you have earned it. But please, if you do not do anything else, thank the company and the people who believed in you, walked beside you, and helped you make it through.
Even if I haven't had the opportunity to share a conversation with you or sit in the same class as you, I know that I'm a better person because I've walked alongside you in these halls for the past 4 years. We as a class have shaped each other in ways that we may never fully realize. The path to this moment has been hard for us to travel, but your presence here today proves that you are stronger than the obstacles you faced.